The Apple AirPods Max are finally here. The Apple AirPods Max have finally been launched, having been the subject of rumor for quite some time now. The first Apple over-ear headphones were quietly announced via a press release posted the Apple newsroom, and according to Apple, they boast incredible high-fidelity audio, adaptive active noise cancellation, and spatial audio, like the AirPods Pro. They'll be available to buy from December 15 and will set you back $549. £549. AU $899, far pricier than most of the best headphones on the market today. The release of the Apple AirPods Max comes after months of speculation regarding potential Apple over-ear headphones, once thought to be called the AirPods Studio. While Apple previously had a patchy track record with audio products, it's slowly improved its reputation since the purchase of the Beats Audio brand and the launch of the Apple Music service. It now boasts two excellent-sounding smart speakers in the shape of the HomePod and HomePod Mini, and its in-ear true wireless earbuds, the AirPods and AirPods Pro, are among the most popular in the category. However, the over-ear market is a very competitive one, with well-established brands with decades' worth of heritage. Currently, the Sony WH-1000XM4 over-ear noise-canceling headphones are our top pick of the bunch, and audiophiles have plenty of alternatives to pick from. Spatial audio, automatic switching, and cool Siri features could separate it from the pack, and we know that Apple never does something by halves. The Apple AirPods Max certainly represents the most high-profile headphone launch in some time, and we'll be eager to see whether they can meet the high standards Apple's other gear aspires to. For now, here's everything we know about the Apple AirPods Max, including the price, release date, and the specs. The Apple AirPods Max were announced today via a press release posted to the Apple newsroom, a surprisingly low-key launch, considering how much hype has surrounded the first Apple over-ear headphones over the past couple of years. They're available to order now, though they'll be officially released on December 15, 2020. Audiophiles around the world have been waiting a long time for the Apple AirPods Max to materialize, with rumors of the over-ear headphones circling since 2018. Those rumors gained even more traction over the past few months, with reports emerging that the AirPods Max had run into production delays and may not be released until 2021. Luckily, Apple has announced the wireless headphones just in time for the holidays. The Apple AirPods Max cost $549. £549. AU $899, and are available to pre-order from today. That's far more expensive than many of the best over-ear headphones on the market, including our favorite cans, the Sony WH-1000XM4. Anyone hoping for a budget-friendly price like the HomePod Mini will be disappointed. All may not be lost, though it was previously rumored that there would be two versions of the Apple over-ear headphones, with a cheaper, sports-friendly model also said to be hitting the shelves. If the AirPods Max are the luxury variant we've been hearing about over the past few months, Apple could feasibly launch a less expensive variant in the near future. A previous leak from Target's inventory put the price of what could be the cheaper model at $349, which, while pricey, is a lot more palatable. Either way, Apple's over-ear headphones are much more pricey than Apple's popular true wireless earbuds, with the most expensive of these, the AirPods Pro, coming in at $249. £249. AU $399. The Apple AirPods Max come with a minimalist yet luxurious design that's typical of the tech giant, with sleek lines and a stainless steel build, and they come in a range of stylish colors, including space gray, silver, sky blue, green, and pink. They look pretty comfortable to wear, thanks to knit mesh headband, which Apple says is designed to distribute weight and reduce on-head pressure. We're not entirely sold on the look of the mesh headband, but we can't deny that it does look comfortable. The headband frame itself is made from stainless steel, with telescoping headband arms that can be extended so you can find a good fit. Memory foam padded ear cups should also help keep the AirPods Max comfortable during long listening sessions. These ear cups are attached to the headband with a mechanism that balances and distributes ear cup pressure and allows it to independently pivot and rotate to fit the unique contours of a user's head. On-ear controls are minimal. Interestingly, Apple has reprised the digital crown dial of the Apple Watch, which provides precise volume control and the ability to play or pause audio, skip tracks, answer or end phone calls, and activate Siri. You can simply turn the dial to adjust a volume, or press once to pause your music, press once to answer and end phone calls, press twice to skip to the next track, and press 3 times to skip backwards. There's also a noise control button that allows you to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode, while the bottom of the ear cup houses an Apple Lightning port for charging. A charging cable is included with the headphones, unlike the latest iPhone. Also included with the AirPods Max is an unusual-looking smart case that puts the headphones in an ultra-low power state that helps to preserve battery charge when not in use. It doesn't look like Apple has included a 3.5mm headphone port. If it is not, the AirPods Max will be totally wireless, only working with a Bluetooth connection with your smartphone or tablet. Unless you purchase a lighting to 3.5mm audio adapter for an additional $35. £35. About $45, that is. Don't forget, either, that you can add a free engraving on the Max headphones, as with the AirPods Pro or AirPods, when buying on Apple.com or the Apple Store app. According to Greg Joswiak, Apple's Senior Vice President of Worldwide Marketing, the AirPods Max bring the magical AirPods experience to an over-ear design with high-fidelity audio. The custom acoustic design, combined with powerful H1 chips and advanced software, enable AirPods Max to use computational audio to wirelessly deliver the ultimate personal listening experience, he said in the press release announcing the new headphones. Inside the headphone are 40mm dynamic drivers, which Apple says will deliver rich deep bass, accurate mid-ranges, and crisp clean high-frequency extension, so every note can be heard. According to Apple, a dual neodymium ring magnet motor allows the AirPods Max to maintain total harmonic distortion of less than 1% across the entire audible range, so these headphones should sound very clear indeed, even at high volumes. Despite the high price of the AirPods Max, support for high-res audio files is limited, aside from Apple Masters, which are only available via Apple Music. This could hinder the success of the new headphones, as you'd probably expect comprehensive codec support from cans at this price. Like the AirPods and AirPods Pro, they come with the Apple H1 chip in each ear cup, featuring no less than 10 audio cores to allow for adaptive EQ, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and spatial audio. Released as part of iOS 14, the spatial audio feature first came to the AirPods Pro and works in 5.1, 7.1 and Dolby Atmos, which positions sound all around you within a virtual sphere. That means that if you're watching a Dolby Atmos film that shows a plane flying overhead, it will sound as though the plane is really passing above you. The Apple AirPods Max feature up to 20 hours of high-fidelity audio, talk time, or movie playback, which wouldn't seem a huge amount if it wasn't with active noise cancellation enabled. ANC tends to lower the battery life a decent amount, so we'd imagine you can get a few more hours usage if you're using for low-res audio without additional features enabled. Plus, you may be able to conserve some battery by placing the AirPods Max into their soft smart case. The best over-ear headphones will usually hit around 30 hours of battery life, though many great models make do on around 20. Either way, it's enough for a full day's use or two, depending on how wedded they'll be to your ears. In terms of connectivity, these are wireless headphones, so there's no headphone jack to speak of that we can see. That's not surprising, though, given how much Apple has done to popularize wireless technology through its flagship smartphones, true wireless earbuds, and wireless charging pads. Still, it could put off hardcore audiophiles who prefer the fidelity of wired listening and don't want to pay for an additional adapter. An automatic switching feature will enable users to easily switch between iPhone, iPad and Mac when jumping between music listening and taking calls too, and one-tap setup will mean you can get started with your new cans pretty swiftly. You'll also be able to share audio between two sets of AirPods on pretty much any Apple source device, even Apple TV 4K or the iPod Touch. As ever, Apple has included support for its smart assistant Siri too, meaning you can use voice commands to play music, make phone calls, control the volume, get directions, and more. Siri can also read incoming messages as they arrive with announce messages with Siri. These over-ear Apple cans will feature active noise cancellation with a noise control button that will also cycle through a transparency mode for recording environmental noise and playing it through the earbuds for when you need to be a bit more aware of your surroundings. For ANC, we're told that each ear cup features 3 outward-facing microphones to detect environmental noise, while one microphone inside the ear cup monitors the sound reaching the listener's ear. Using computational audio, noise cancellation continuously adapts to the headphone fit and movement in real time. The Apple AirPods Pro already feature active noise cancellation, so this isn't a brand new feature for the range, though we expect it'll be more effective with the natural sound isolation that comes with a pair of over-ear cans, physically blocking out unwanted sound so you can focus on your podcasts, calls, or tunes. The original Apple AirPods do not feature ink. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.